All right, guys. Today, we're going to look at the order of operations challenge problem. And before we talk about that challenge problem, let's just talk about the steps of the order of operations. Remember, we're always starting with parentheses as our first step. That means whatever is inside of parentheses, that is what you're going to do first. You still have to follow all the other order of operations inside of the parentheses. Step number two is multiplication and division. Now, if we have both multiplication and division, we always work from left to right. And step number three is addition and subtraction. And same thing, if you have addition and subtraction to figure out which one comes first, you work from left to right. Now, in this case, I have 6 different examples here, and each example has blanks. There are a total of 9 blanks. Now, those 9 blanks, if we look at the directions, are going to be filled with the numbers 1 through 9. You can only use each number once. So there's going to be, in all 9 blanks, there's going to be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, all the way up to 9. The goal is to use all 9 numbers and to make all of these blanks true. So to make all of them a true statement. Now I'm going to kind of give you an example of what this is going to look like. Now, let's say, for example, I'm looking at this first example, and notice I have 2 blanks. There's going to be a little bit of guessing and checking that comes into place here. So I'm just going to make a guess, and I'm going to say, let's say this is 5 and this is 4. I don't know if that's true, but let's give it a shot. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and follow the steps of the order of operations. So the first step is parentheses. So I'm going to circle my parentheses. Remember, we do multiplication before addition in parentheses. Remember that if we haven't finished everything within parentheses, that we're going to need to keep it around. So I see 5 plus 4. I have a 3 here plus 4. Next, I'm going to do 5 plus 4, which is going to give me 9. Since the 9 is the last name in parentheses, I can drop it. Notice I have a 3 right next to the parentheses. Remember that means to multiply. I'm going to do 3 times 9, which is 27, plus 4, which is 31. Just a little bit too big. Now, one thing I could go back and do is I notice it's 1 too big, so I could change my original number here to a 3. Now, here's the thing that's difficult. Just because we found an expression that works, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's the right answer, because we might need a 3 or a 5 later. So you're going to have to try a bunch of different possibilities here in order to figure this out. Because remember, you can only use every number one time. Your goal here is to fill in every single blank with a 1 through 9 only one time each. When you finish this, email me tomorrow and I will email you the solution so that you can check yourself. So good luck with this. I know that you guys can do it. You guys have done a really good job with the order of operations this year. Give this a shot. See if you can figure out, and I'll email you the solution to let you know.